Welcome once again, and let's talk about Tectonic token. VVS Finance just said they will keep supporting Tectonic token this 2023. Now remember, VVS Finance and Crypto.com, these are the two major crypto exchanges you can actually buy Tectonic token coin. Now VVS Finance have actually said they will keep supporting, and that is why you can see even as of today, at time of recording this, about 75% of Tectonic token volume is being traded on VVS Finance. Tectonic token is being hosted by Crypto.com, that's Chronos chain, but VVS Finance have been showing most support, and I believe that we are going to see this coin keep increasing in price once more exchanges will be listing Tectonic token this year. We only have two major exchanges. Just recently that Bulk Kansas City listed this coin, but VVS Finance particularly has been supporting this coin. I mean, more coins have been traded on VVS Finance in the past 6 months than Crypto.com, and now even the founders of VVS Finance saying they will keep supporting Tectonic token this year 2023. I'm happy to hear that. Now let's hope to see Tectonic token keep on increasing. Remember, in this year, this January, they have been increasing, they have been popping since January 1st. I'm happy to see even the market cap have really increased. Even Tectonic token have gained over 160% price pump since this year. It's amazing to see Tectonic token really increase in price. Now let's hope that before the end of this year, VVS Finance will keep supporting, and let's hope other crypto exchanges like Kucoin, like Get.io, like L-Bank, Hotbit will also join and start supporting Tectonic token. Once again, remember, this is not a financial advice, so please can do your own research before taking any decision.